here we are, going up start of Snowdon on the pygmy track. And probably continue on the pygmy, but the idea was to go up Crib Goch, but as you can see, the visibility is not fantastic. So obviously walking on my own might not be the smartest decision, but we'll make that decision when we come to it. But kind of come to it in my mind, it's okay just to do the pygmy now. So catch up with you in a bit. So this is the point where we turn off for Crib Goch or Pig Trail, and I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to go for Crib Goch. Just feels so much fun. Should be doing it. I imagine this is, on a clear day, this is where you see Snowdon, but not today. That's a path. So good. Look at these sheep. Massive horns. So it looks like we're going up here. Don't know how that's going to pan out. So I've had to traverse down to the pig track because I couldn't find my route on the Crib Goch, and given the weather it was obviously not very sensible to do that. Apparently some people have made it over, but they said it was a bit sketchy and they knew their way, so I probably made the right decision to turn back and do the pig trail instead. Probably means I have to do twice the elevation, but safety first. So I've been going for an hour and a half, done about 4.35 kilometers, lots of elevation, but trying to finally come up the what I'd say is the main last slog of the pig track. Doing good, but obviously a bit tired, ready for a bit of a more substantial snack than a bar and a couple of wine gums. But the path is just amazing, and you can see down here into the lake it's almost clearing up, and the ridge is in the background. You never know, it might just be this valley, but it might be clearing up. Fingers crossed. Really see that ridge in the background now. Clearing up by the second. Never know, it might brush over. Here we got Crib Goch to our right. Ooh, cloud's broken a little bit. Snowdon up here. Sun on that cloud below. So that was the top of Snowdon. Couldn't see anything, but still quite spectacular in its own way, and really nice to not have anybody to have to keep up with. That's my view at the moment, and I'm going to go down this path here, and then hopefully in the lake I saw earlier get a dip if it's cleared up a little bit and I'm feeling up for it. It's a bit cold from the top, but I'm going to keep going, see how we go. Ooh, bit of sunshine. Wonder if I have to go to the top of that or not. Oh, kind of done for climbing. We'll see. I think this is not quite the top. Bit of a false summit there. But I found my path again. This is definitely the path. Look, some sheep just hanging out on the top. Alright, sheep. Bah. Don't mind if I crash your party. I think I'm losing my mind. And good sun. This must be the top. Not for the faint-hearted. Just having a quick sit down. I think it's probably a bit beyond my hiking abilities and experience, but it's been very fun. I think I've got all the descent now back onto our main path, and then that'll be a lot more chilled. But classic, just biting off more than I can chew, really. But it's just amazing scenery, even though you can't see anything in the background. Just the terrain is amazing. So you can have a couple of wine gums, be on my way. So visibility's closed in really quite a lot, and hasn't got me worried, but gives a good sense of respect for the mountain and the weather. Visibility's come down to maybe 20 meters, but I feel quite exposed. I haven't seen anyone in the last hour or so, so that all built up. Anxious feelings, but feel pretty good. I'm still on path, so I'm not worried as such. It's just, yeah, this, as you can see, it's quite a little bit scary, but that's why I do these things, keep myself on my toes and challenge myself. And my path's just down here actually, rather than skirting the ridge. Yeah, I'll keep going, and if in doubt, pull the map out. But I'm not like I can take a bearing off anything easily, so let's keep going. It's the clearest view of Snowdon I've had all day, even when I was up there. And that must be Crib Dock, which I missed out. Whew. Very tired now. So I think that brings my Snowdon adventure to an end. I am fairly tired. It's quite a lot of elevation done, but phenomenal, like seas and terrain, like scarier parts, pretty sketch. But I think a lot of those things is keeping you cool, so let's call it a day.